What are the ways of a ketogenic diet? In fact, there are many different versions of the ketogenic diet. You can find out the right way of eating according to your personal needs. The standard ketogenic diet, low-carb water, a moderate amount of protein, high-fat diet. Fat more than 70%, 20% protein, 10% carbohydrates, or even 5%. The cyclic ketogenic diet is similar to the carbohydrate cycle. Many fitness enthusiasts use this way of eating. For example, within a week, carbohydrates should be strictly controlled for 5 days. And a certain amount of carbohydrate should be taken in the other 2 days. A targeted ketogenic diet is also a demand for high-intensity strength training enthusiasts. Always limit carbohydrates. And only consume moderate amounts of carbohydrates before and after high-intensity training. The high-protein ketogenic diet is to increase the intake of protein in an appropriate amount, with a little less fat. For example, 60% fat, 35% protein, 5% carbohydrate. It may be more suitable for people who need to gain muscle. In short, ketogenesis is a kind of low-carbon diet, and carbohydrates must be strictly restricted. As for the amount of protein, you can adjust it appropriately according to your needs. Fitness enthusiasts who need to gain a lot of muscle can increase some protein. Or you can take in an appropriate amount of carbohydrate on the training day.